Hey guys! Dang, you're so tall. We're at Laguna Beach.
Yeah.
Are you playing Pokemon?
No.
Oh. So
Yes.
we're at Laguna Beach today,
Watch out,
and
there's a dump truck.
I don't see, I hear it. Anyways, so we're at Laguna Beach, just walking to the beach. But look at the weather. Like, what the heck? Where's the sun at though?
Alyssa Renee.
No, he's the one who wanted to come today because he had the day off of work. And so I just wanted to get one more beach trip in before school starts. Today's Monday, August 8th. Hey, 2 more days until our
You don't remember, be quiet.
Do you remember?
I mean, neither do I, but
It's been too many months. I mean, that's a good thing though.
I don't keep track of the months, I just keep track of the years.
I think it's gonna be our 22 months in 2 days, August 10th. Anyways, here's the beach.
Yeah,
Laguna is my favorite beach. We're at the beach. Oh, I already said that.
yeah, you did say that.
Anyways,
I want to.
I'm really sad it's high tide, but high tide, overcast. I don't care if it's high tide. I'm really sad it's overcast, but whatever, we'll make the best of it. So we're just chilling, and I'm gonna eat my Subway sandwich. He's eating grapes. We have some, oh, I didn't bring the strawberries out. My arm's hurting. Okay, you make it. We're walking up these rocks.
You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands still cold. Loose up, we break a scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip the beat. Count 1, 2, 3.
Why are you holding my finger? Okay.
Because we're hashtag pure game, Alyssa.
I don't understand.
Neither do I.
Oh, I need to focus it. Okay.
Alyssa, right here is a pillar from ancient society.
Where?
It's right there.
Okay.
Don't show the camera, they don't even know where we are. Pretty sure you already heard them though, it doesn't even matter.
Oh.
I gotta tell them where I was for the past month. Well, you're gonna tell them, or should I?
Tell them what?
That I was in London, okay? I was studying. I'm an Oxford man now. It's like, just kidding, I ain't Gatsby. Goals. I wish I was Gatsby.
Oh. Jonathan. We're feeding each other strawberries.
Liars, you haven't put me a single one. You know what I hate more than someone I feed strawberries to? Liars.
I'll feed you this one.
I already put it in my mouth. No, thank you. If you really wanted to feed me one, you would take the initiative of taking it out of the bag and putting it in my mouth.
Okay, I'll do it in a few minutes. Oh, that's so good. Oh,
We'll just put something else strawberry in the back.
oh no. I think I see it right here.
Right.
Jonathan! You are a brat. Very good.
Rubbing strawberry juice on me. Because you're not paying attention to me.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You're so busy vlogging.
Look at this. Looks like the best strawberry in the world. So you can have it.
You know what I hate more than people? That vlog of me eating? Liars.
No. Like, time for your turn.
recording that.
Wow. Thanks for getting the strawberry off of me. Jonathan!
I'm full, I don't want any more. I don't consent. There's no consent here. Trying to force. Alyssa, stop trying to force it in my mouth. Wow.
Right, put it in a bag.
No. Oh, I don't want it more. That's not consent. Hey, what are you doing? It's my strawberry.
You said you don't want it.
God, Alyssa.
Go.
What are you doing?
Eat it. Eat it.
Delicious.
So good. Are you done with it? What's the matter?
I don't consent to this.
What?
You just forced that strawberry down my throat, Alyssa.
No, I didn't.
God. That's like sexual assault. Hey, stop looking at those boys. What are you doing?
I'm not. Here you go. What?
Go ahead.
Okay, bye. Wow, you don't want my strawberry, but you take another one?
Another one. They didn't want me to have another
Rub
strawberry.
it on your
Do it. You have to lick it off though. No. No.
You want the rest?
Sure.
Good job.
My baby. Screw you. No. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh my god, that little kid. Oh my god. Is that
Don't,
little kid really gonna do it?
don't, no.
This little kid's on a skateboard, he's sitting down on it.
This is a steep
I'm really, oh my god, I think he's gonna do it.
He didn't eat shit.
Oh my god.
He's gonna eat it.
Anyways.
Talk about no fear. Jesus Christ.
I was kind of disappointed because there's no sunset.
I was gonna come to you.
This beach is so pretty.
See, look at the whale though. See, look, it's raising. It's like
There's a
last
whale?
little fin, and boom, it's gone.
I think that's a boat. I don't know.
I'm not talking about that. You didn't see it?
A whale?
Yeah.
I did not see a whale. We're at Sonic now.
I'm so tired.
I'm sore.
Alyssa wanted to stay to see a non-existent sunset. It was great.
Yeah, there was no sunset. I'm really sad.
The sun just blew up, guys. Can you confirm?
No, it didn't. They're just it was overcast. Anyways, but I've never been to Sonic before, so.
Alyssa got burned. She's gonna rub some gel on her body later.
No, didn't get burned. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's our food.
We got our food. He got some boneless wings, and I got some boneless wings too. And I got a caramel brownie shake. I'm pretty excited to try that. I'm home now, and I forgot to end the vlog, so I just wanted to do that right now. Yeah, it's pretty late, so I just wanted to say I hope you guys like this video, and let me know if you guys want me to keep vlogging. But now it's like the end of summer, and I thought I would vlog more during summer, but I didn't, which I should have. But anyways, I hope you guys like this vlog today, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!